There comes a time in every man's life where he faces a momentous task, a journey into that southern, dark, tangled jungle. We have risked it all without the proper tools. We've been nicked, we've been betrayed. What if I told you there was a way to get it done with the proper tools without those problems? Say hello to the MANSPOT Premium Men's Hair Trimmer. Yes, premium is a big word, but why are you gonna risk that possible loss with a non-premium product? You really want something quality down there. So yeah, premium, but let's not cheap out. Actually, let's talk about some of the specs. This thing cranks out 6,000 RPMs. That's 6,000 RPMs. That's more than some of my early race cars would turn. While we're talking about race cars and materials, this has ceramic blades. That's right, like your ceramic brakes on your cool new Corvette. Ceramic blades on this bad boy. And additionally, it is IPX7 waterproof, which means not only can you do the whole process in the shower, but we all know nothing's worse than the cleaning up that mess, right? So you take care of business in the shower, and that makes it so much easier to clean up. It makes the whole process much better. So listen, we talked about it. It's quality. It's got a crazy fast motor. It's got ceramic blades. It's got the IPX7 water resistance. You definitely deserve this premium product. If you want it, there's actually a link right here on the screen. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. I would show you, but I'm sure you really don't want to see that, so you're gonna have to trust me on this. Trust me enough to use this link here on the screen or down in the description below. It actually helps out the channel a little bit. Doesn't cost you anything extra, so I'm going to say thank you in advance for doing that, helping us out. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more crazy cool content like this. If you have any questions about how this thing works, feel free to put it in the comments. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.